deactivated your Snapchat account and want it back using your phone number? In this video, I will show you how to reactivate your account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on login, then enter your phone number and password. Now tap on login button to continue. Receive a verification code on your phone. Enter it to confirm your identity. Once verified, your Snapchat account will be automatically reactivated. You can only reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivation. After that, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.